Same Claude AI, same laptop, same topic. Prompt 1. Write a marketing email for my business. Prompt 2. Act as a senior direct response copywriter with 10 years of B2B experience. Write a cold outreach email for a project management software company targeting operations managers at 100 to 500% manufacturing businesses. Goal: book a 20-minute demo. Tone: professional but conversational. Under 120 words. Subject line: creates curiosity without clickbait. End with a soft yes or no CTA. Prompt 1 earns you 500 rupees on Fiverr. Prompt 2 earns you 33,000 rupees. Same AI, same topic. 3 words make the entire difference. I'm showing you exactly what they are right now. Here's the truth about Claude AI that almost nobody talks about. 90% of people using it right now are treating it like a search engine. They type a one-line question, get a one-size-fits-all answer, and wonder why they can't charge professional rates for the output. The people making serious money with Claude, 1.5 lakh rupees a month, 3 lakh rupees a month, they are not smarter than you. They don't have a special version of the tool. They have a system. And the system is built on 3 words. This is part 2 of the Claude AI income series on Wealth AI. Part 1 covered the 3 core methods for making money with Claude. This video goes deeper because knowing the methods is not enough. The difference between earning 5,000 rupees a day and 50,000 rupees a day with the exact same AI tool comes down entirely to how you give it instructions. By the end of this video, you're going to have 3 advanced prompt templates for copywriting, automation, and research that you can deploy today to charge professional rates. And I'll show you the agency pitch that turns one-off projects into 1.5 to 2.5 lakh rupees monthly retainers. Let's get into it. And finally, the real income jump. Because the move from 50,000 rupees a month to 3 lakh rupees a month happens when you stop selling one-off projects and start selling monthly retainers. Here is the pitch that works. You approach a small business owner in person, via LinkedIn, or a cold email, and you say, I help small businesses use AI to cut their content and research costs by 60% while getting faster turnaround. I handle everything: content, automation tools, and market research under one monthly retainer. Most clients save more than they pay me in the first month. Can I show you what that looks like for your business in a free 30-minute call? Notice what you are not saying. You are not saying I use Claude AI. You are not saying I am a freelancer. You are selling an outcome, cost savings and speed, and removing all risk with a free call. On the call, ask one question. What are you spending the most time on that you wish you could automate or outsource? Their answer tells you exactly which of your 3 methods to pitch. Close with a 30-day trial at a reduced rate. Deliver results. Convert to a full retainer at 1.5 lakh rupees to 2.5 lakh rupees a month. 3 clients on that model is 4.5 lakh rupees to 7.5 lakh rupees. This is not a side hustle. This is a business. Your one action step right now. Open a new folder. Call it Claude Prompt Library. Copy all 3 templates from this video into it. That folder is now the foundation of your AI income infrastructure. The full library, 25 tested prompts across all 3 methods, is free in the Wealth AI newsletter. Link is in the description. It's the shortcut to skipping my first 3 weeks of trial and error. Go grab it. Subscribe to Wealth AI. Part 3 of this series drops next. Full personal proof walkthrough. Real tasks, real prompts, real numbers. No theory, just what actually happened. I'll see you in the next one. The framework is 3 words: role, task, format. Write that down. Use it on every single income generating prompt you send to Claude from this point forward. Here's why each one matters. Because understanding the mechanism makes you significantly better at applying it. Role. When you give Claude a role, you are not just being descriptive, you are activating a specific slice of its training data. Claude has been trained on billions of documents, including everything ever written by senior copywriters, expert developers, and professional researchers. When you say act as a senior B2B copywriter, you are telling Claude which part of that knowledge base to access. The role is a filter. It takes Claude from knowing everything to being an expert in exactly what you need. Task. Bake tasks produce bake output. Write an email could mean 1,000 different things. Write a 120-word cold outreach email for a B2B SaaS company targeting HR managers. Goal. Book a 15-minute discovery call has exactly one interpretation. The specificity of your task is directly proportional to the value of the output, and value equals income. Format. Format removes the final layer of ambiguity. It tells Claude not just what to produce, but how to present it. Format it as a 5-section report with an executive summary and a strategic conclusion means you get exactly that. Not a stream of consciousness answer you have to restructure yourself before you can send it to a client. Role plus task plus format. That 3-word instruction is worth more than any Claude course you could buy. It is the difference between getting a draft and getting a deliverable. Now let me show you exactly how this works at a professional level. 3 advanced templates, real income numbers, starting with copywriting. Here is the complete copywriting client brief template. I use this structure on every single copywriting project I take, showing it on screen right now. Act as a direct response copywriter with deep expertise in copy. Your writing style is clear, persuasive, and human, never robotic or overly formal. Client, target audience, goal, tone, constraints, key message, deliverable. Before you write, confirm you understand the brief by summarizing it in 2 sentences. Then produce the deliverable. That last line, asking Claude to confirm before it writes, is something most people skip entirely. It catches misunderstandings before they become wasted output. It's the difference between getting what you asked for and getting what you meant. With this template, you produce client-ready copy in under 45 minutes. You charge 25,000 to 50,000 rupees per project on Fiverr or direct clients. That's the standard going rate for a professional email sequence or ad campaign in 2026. 3 projects a week is 75,000 rupees to 1.5 lakh rupees a month from copywriting alone. Quick note, the full prompt library, 25 tested templates including this one, is free in the Wealth AI newsletter. Link is in the description. It saves you 3 weeks of testing. Go grab it. Now, automation. For coding and automation, this is where the income per hour gets serious. And before you switch off thinking this isn't for you, stay with me. Because you do not need to know how to code to deliver this service. Here is the technical brief template. Act as a senior developer. Build a plan that does the following. Input.com, process.com. Output. Dot. Error handling. Dot. Additional requirements. Dot. Before you write code, outline your approach in plain English so I can confirm it matches what I need. Then write the complete commented working code. That outline your approach first instruction is critical. It means you catch any misunderstanding before Claude writes 200 lines of code in the wrong direction. And here is how you deliver this without coding skills. Run the script on sample data. Check if the output matches what the client described. If something breaks, paste the error message back into Claude. Fix this error, and it debugs its own code in seconds. That is the entire skill set required. The projects that work: data processing tools, Shopify automation, reporting dashboards, file converters, spreadsheet automation. All of them have real small business clients right now. All of them pay 40,000 rupees to 1.6 lakh rupees. Most can be built and tested in 1 to 3 hours with Claude. Key findings only. Competitor profiles. 1 section per competitor. Positioning, pricing, top 3 strengths, top 3 weaknesses from reviews. Customer sentiment analysis. What customers love and hate about each competitor. Quote from reviews where possible. Market gaps. Top 3 underserved customer needs none of the competitors are addressing well. Strategic recommendations. 3 specific actions the client should take based on this data. Format. Professional report style. Clear headers, bullet points were appropriate. Written for a non-technical executive audience. With this prompt and 30 to 45 minutes of data gathering, you produce a report worth 33,000 rupees to 66,000 rupees. The clients who pay for this: startups before funding rounds, businesses launching new products, consultants who resell your research under their brand name at 3x to 5x markup. One strong relationship with a consultant or agency can mean 4 to 8 reports a month. Consistent rates, no client hunting. Now, the system that makes all of this compound over time: your prompt library. Here's the insight from a Claude power user I've tracked in 2026, and this changed how I work. Don't start from scratch every time you open Claude. That is the behavior of someone treating it like a search bar. Build templates, test them, refine them when the output is off. This is infrastructure work, and infrastructure pays compounding returns. Your prompt library is a single folder in Notion, Google Docs, wherever you work, with your best tested prompts organized by use case. Every prompt that produces great output gets saved. Every deliverable a client loved, save the prompt that created it. After 3 weeks of active use, you will have 20 to 30 tested tools. After 3 months, 80 to 100. And here is the compounding effect. As your library grows, your project turnaround time shrinks. What takes 45 minutes in week 1 takes 15 minutes in month 3 because you are no longer writing prompts from scratch. You are deploying tested tools. Faster delivery means more projects per day. More projects means more income, same hours. That is the return on building infrastructure. Build the library from day one. It is the single most valuable thing you can do in your first month. The full library, 25 tested prompts across all three methods, is free in the Wealth AI newsletter. Link is in the description. Is the shortcut to skipping my first 3 weeks of trial and error. Go grab it. Subscribe to Wealth AI. Part 3 of this series drops next. Full personal proof walkthrough. Real tasks, real prompts, real numbers. No theory, just what actually happened. I'll see you in the next one.